In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the video courses which are included in our Thanksgiving sale. Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Our Thanksgiving sale is now live and will be live through Cyber Monday. So let's have a look at what you could learn. So if we start with SQL, if you want to learn t-sql, we have got 3 courses, one lasting about an hour, one lasting 9 hours, and one lasting 29 hours. So if you go to any of these categories or the menu at the top and click on a course, you can find out all about the course, how long it is, how many lessons there are, who the course is for, what you will be able to learn on the course, and some of the reviews. And then if you want to find out the exact price, and the price varies per country, so I can't give you the price in this particular video, then just click here to get started and you can see the price. Now this price will be the best possible price that Udemy will allow me to give it to you. So this is my t-sql course, and if you scroll down again, you can see what you will learn, the course content, and then much further down, some reviews. You can also preview the course by going to the top and click on preview this course, and then you'll be able to have a look at many videos which are part of the course. So let's go back to our SQL courses. Suppose you didn't want to learn Microsoft TSQL. Well, there's also database administration. So in this course, we're going to have a look at backing up data and restoring databases, managing logins and server roles, importing and exporting data, implementing and maintaining indexes, and more. If you'd like to do it online, then there is a DP300 course which is all about administrating Azure SQL database, managed instance, and virtual machines. If you'd like to learn about automating the import and export of data, then please have a look at our SSIS course. This introduction is all about extraction, transform, and load or ETL tasks. Now there are 2 different types of SSAS analysis services. There's the multi-dimensional MDX version. So in this course, we'll learn how to create cubes and then query them using MDX statements. The other version is the tabular version. So in this course, we will look at extracting data from multiple tables, creating connections between the tables, developing the model using DAX functions. We'll also see how we can do similar things in Excel using Power Pivot. For reporting services, our SSRS course is all about selecting the right report component, identifying the data source and parameters, formatting and creating reports, and sorting and adding interactivity. If you don't want to use SQL Server, then maybe you want to learn SQL for Microsoft Access. So this course is all about creating advanced queries in Microsoft Access to enable you to build better databases. For example, we'll look at importing data from SQL Server and doing some things that you can't do in the graphical user interface, like using derived tables, subqueries, correlated queries, and unions. And if you don't want to learn SQL Server at all, then maybe have a look at our Oracle SQL course. So in this course, we'll look at manipulating numbers, strings, and dates, creating databases and tables, inserting data and creating analyses, and have appreciation of how they can be used in Oracle SQL. So what other courses might interest you as somebody who uses SQL? Well, one of the principal courses that's quite popular is the Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. So here you can import data from SQL Server and do the analysis in Power BI. This is one of the most desired skills in business. You'll be able to create your own visualizations, get and transform data, refine the model again by using DAX functions, and upload it to the cloud, the Power BI service. We also have courses in Tableau and Crystal reports. Now suppose you want to look for something new. Well, why not have a look at our fundamentals courses? To start off, we have got 2 courses on Microsoft Azure, one focusing on data and the other Microsoft Azure more generally. We have the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. So this allows you to have a look at Power Apps, both the Canvas and model-driven apps, Power Automate, the AI Builder, and more. And one implementation of the model-driven apps is in the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals CRM. So this allows you to look at Dynamics 365 sales, customer service and field service, and what used to be called marketing and is now called customer insights journeys. If you want to have a look at security, have a look at our SC900 course, and the advantage of all of these fundamentals courses is that they take around 5 to 10 hours to do, as opposed to the more weightier 29 hours of the SQL Server t-sql and the Power BI course. We've also got courses on programming in C# and VB.NET. Now, if you'd like to go deeper into the Power Platform, then we have got courses beyond the fundamental level. We've got the App Maker course, so this allows you to create your own Canvas apps, model-driven apps, Power Automate flows, and more. We extend that learning in the Functional Consultant course, and we go into programming in the Power Platform Developer course. And then finally, there's Microsoft Office. So if you want to learn Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Microsoft Access, there's a course here for you. Now on our website, idodata.com, if you go down to the bottom, you'll see a click here to get started. And normally this gives you a really good price. But from now until Cyber Monday, this will give you the best possible price that Udemy will allow me to give it to you. So why not have a look around for yourself? Please go to idodata.com. Have a look at a course, scroll down, click the click here to get started, and see what you could learn in 2024. Well, thanks for watching this. If you liked it, then please click the like, and why not subscribe and click that bell? That way, you'll be notified of any new videos. I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.